Peace and serenity to you all. Hope everyone is good. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or if you're returning, welcome. My name is Sisi, Akwasidae, and on this channel I talk about everything African spirituality. I'm from Ghana, from the Ashanti tribe, so I will talk about akom. So if you're interested to know more about African spirituality, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate. Let me know in the comment section. So welcome and let's start. So this week, today is Thursday, and on Sunday 16th is Akwasidae. And if you are new here, Akwasidae is Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving to our ancestors, those who have lived before us, those who were here, who have walked on this path before, and those who are guiding us from the spiritual realm. So on that day, you can wear, most of the time we wear white cloth or golden. It has to be a happy, like it's a victory moment, or to commemorate all the good things, or the sacrifice, or the sacrifice they have done for us. So on Sunday 16th of May, don't forget to put on your white cloth or a golden color, yellow, any bright, popping color. Yeah. And also like you can put any food that is white. Egg, yam, cassava. Most of the time it's not mashed potatoes, but mashed yam. It has to be white, and you've put egg on it. On 16th, when I do mine, I'll put the photo on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram to know what goes on Akwasidae. I will leave my Instagram link in the description box, ax.cc. So follow me there, and also if you are interested for a daily pick a card or daily guidance from your ancestors, from your spirit guides, your guardian angels, follow me there, ax.cc. I will leave the link in the description box. And also please, for those who can, I have created a Patreon page, so if you can contribute, and also for more personal individual work, follow me there, and yeah, let's link up. So let's start. Akwasidae, Akwasidae, Akwasidae. So on Akwasidae, as I've already said it already, it's all about our gratitude toward our ancestors, those who have worked before us. So what can you can do anything, like it's really personal, individual. Like for me, what I would say to my ancestors will not be exactly what you would say to your ancestors. But one thing we have in common, that we are all grateful and thankful to them. So you pour your libation to thank them, to honor them, to acknowledge them. And trust me, if you acknowledge them, they will do the same to you, toward you. They will guide you, they will protect you, they will assist you. And when you put your petition, they will push it for you, and they will make it happen with your accord, with your agreement, and with your will. Because as you know, and I keep saying, spirit work with you, spirit work for you, not the other way around. So you acknowledge them, you honor them, you show your gratitude, and they do the same toward you. Because as I always put the hashtag, our ancestors, our life. What affects you affect them, and what affect them also affect you. Because most of people, we have been reincarnated. So you have been here before, and you are your ancestors. You are someone's ancestor. Okay? So yeah, I hope that was clear. And as I said, today is going to be a short, and I'm going to put the Akwasidae song, the song of akom Nsumangro. It's a jubilate song to thank them. So when you are putting your petition, when you are thanking them, when you are setting your ancestors' altar, you play this song and they will connect with you. So I hope that was a bit, I hope that was not too complicated and you were able to follow. So peace and serenity to you all. Have fun. Happy Akwasidae to you all.